In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Mailchimp, whether you're a business owner looking to engage with your audience or simply exploring email marketing for the first time. Mailchimp is a fantastic tool to help you connect with your subscribers. Let's dive in and walk through the setup process together. To start, head over to Mailchimp's website. Here you'll see a sign up free button on the homepage. Click this to begin creating your account. You'll need to enter a few basic details to get started, namely your email address, a username of your choice, and a password. Make sure to pick a password that's secure and easy for you to remember. Once you've filled in these fields, click sign up. Next, you'll receive a confirmation email from Mailchimp. Open this email and follow the instructions to verify your account. This step is crucial because verifying your account unlocks access to all of Mailchimp's features. After verification, you're prompted to provide some personal and business information. Start by entering your full name and, if applicable, your business name. There's also an option to add your website URL if you have one. This information helps Mailchimp identify you and establish a professional profile for your campaigns. In the following step, fill in your business address and any other required details. This information is vital due to email marketing regulations that require a visible business address in your emails. It's not just a formality, it's about establishing trust with your audience. Now comes the time to choose a pricing plan. Mailchimp offers several options, from a free plan featuring the basics to paid plans with advanced features. Select the option that best fits your needs and budget. With your plan set, it's time to set up your audience. Mailchimp will automatically create a default audience for you. Think of this as your contact list where all your subscribers' data, such as email addresses and any other fields you want to include, is stored. To manage your audience, navigate to Audience and then select All Contacts. This is your central hub for managing and importing contacts. You can add contacts manually, type them in one by one, or, for larger lists, use a CSV file to import them in bulk. It's quite handy and saves a lot of time, especially if you're transferring data from another system or starting with a big list. Next, let's create your first email campaign. Click on Create, select Email, and then Regular Email. Mailchimp offers various templates to suit different needs and styles. Pick a template that resonates with your message and customize it to reflect your brand's voice. Don't forget to add an eye-catching subject line that grabs attention and the recipient list from your audience section. You're almost there. Review everything, and when you're ready, click send or schedule your campaign for later. That's all it takes to get started with Mailchimp. With these steps, you're ready to explore the platform and begin sending engaging emails to your audience. Happy emailing!